What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be bringing you an unboxing video today. I got a Newair portable ice maker. It's their 250 watt ice maker. It makes about 49 pounds of ice per day. Really nice piece of equipment. I got it basically because here in the office I don't have a big freezer or access to ice, and I like to have smoothies throughout the day. Sometimes I'll have one for lunch or sometimes for breakfast, and I figured this will be a really good investment to be able to do that. We're going to unbox it and make some ice with it, see how it works. So let's get right to it. Okay, so this is the model AI-250. It stands for 250 watts. It makes 49 pounds of ice per day. It's the style that it makes is the bullet, and it's got a rear mounted drain and automatic shut off when it gets filled. The good thing about these is basically, like, if you're like me, that you like to go fishing once in a while and you have to buy ice all the time, it's expensive. If you got one of these laying around just making ice, you can have ice every time you go out, and it's basically free, just the cost of water. So it's really good for that. Like I said, to make shakes, we're gonna give it a try. It's just operating today, but I will be using it in the future in my videos to make smoothies for the channel. All right, so as you can see, it comes packaged really well. Plastic wrap. That is basically the unit. You guys can see it. Looks really nice and sleek. It's made really well. Seems like it's really heavy duty construction. Has a exhaust fan on the back, and this is like the drain if you want to drain the water. I'll bring you guys in to show you what the design and the buttons look like on the top. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the unit. I wanted to bring you guys in closer. This is the power indicator on off. It also has like a run indicator, ice full. When it fills up, it has a sensor. It also has when you need to add water, and basically that's really nice up here. Just a push button, and it's pretty much automatic, runs on its own, just lets you know what's going on when things need to be done to it. This is the lid up here. It has a nice logo, really sleek looking. It's rounded corners, looks very nice. I believe there's a little tab to pull it up. Really deep well for the ice. Comes with a little scoop on the side. Just fits right in there. Little scoop just fits right in. Look. Okay. So I got it. It has a little scoop that fits right in there. Overall, the unit is really nice, is elegant, it's very well put together. Seems to be heavy duty, nice heavy duty power cord. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a rinse, and we're gonna put some water on it and get some ice ready and see how well it makes the ice and how fast it does it and the quality of it. Okay guys, so I filled the unit up to where the basket kind of falls in, and I've turned it on, and the run button is on and the power buttons are on, indicating that now it's starting to begin the ice making process. I could hear it like water running around in there, and it has a sound almost a little bit like a small refrigerator. It's pretty quiet, but it should be making ice every 8 minutes, so we'll come back in 8 minutes and see what it's made. Okay guys, I wanted to bring you in to actually show you the process of how this machine makes ice. I guess most ice makers probably make it like this, but I'd never really seen one up close doing it. I guess those rods get really cold, and it gets around the pins, it gets a layer of ice while it's in the water. It's actually in water, and it's making the ice really fast. It's pretty amazing. Must get incredibly cold, those rods there, but it's pretty cool how you can actually see it being made. And it's probably been about 3 or 4 minutes, and it's already more than halfway there through making the ice bullets. So this machine is definitely very fast. And right now we actually have the first ice bullets that is made, and it's getting ready to push them out. I wish I would have put a timer on it, because it seems like it was less than 8 minutes, more like 5 minutes probably, and it's starting the process all over again. So you figure you just leave this on your counter, and it just continuously make ice. When it runs out of water, you add more, and it will make more ice. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour, maybe a little bit less, since the ice maker's been running, and it's made a bunch of really nice looking ice, and they look like these little bullets. They're really airy. The ice looks really good. I've already tried the ice, and it tastes really good. It's kind of like dense, but at the same time, it's not like sometimes you get ice and it's like super hard. This ice is almost like, it feels like it's got like air molecules in it, so it makes it kind of easier to chew. And I imagine that hole that it has in the center also helps. It's really good. It tastes amazing. Of course, I use really good spring water, actually reverse osmosis. So you can see it makes the ice really fast. There it goes again with another batch. So I would say it's taking probably about, it's definitely taking less than 9 minutes it says. I think it's taking probably like 5 to 6 minutes to create each batch of ice. But it makes it really fast, really good ice. The machine, like I said, it looks amazing. It has rounded corners. Let me see if I can get a little better view. It's pretty sleek looking. Definitely something I would recommend. I'm going to be using it more to do YouTube videos and for shakes for my smoothies. I'm going to keep it here in our office studio, and I'll keep you guys posted on how it works out. But so far, really nice machine, Newair. I'm going to put a link below so you guys can order it, and you can get a discounted price if you're interested. Like I said, it's definitely pretty practical if you're in an office setting or somewhere. Would you like to have some really nice ice to make drinks or to make shakes or smoothies or whatever have you? So Newair, I will put it below. This is I'll put the link there, and yeah, if you guys like it, you can order it and get the discounted price when you use coupon code Healthy Recipe. That will give you guys a nice discount. Just really enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.